Good morning students. Myself Vijendra Chauhan from Srinarayan Vidyalaya Kanhan and I am your maths teacher. And today we are starting our new topic of class 7th. The name of topic is geometrical construction. So before starting our new chapter geometrical constructions, you have to take out your classwork copies and textbook. Classwork copy of 200 pages and you have to also make one homework copy of 200 pages. So look here on the board. Our name of topic is geometrical constructions. Geometrical constructions. Students, this topic is very important because this topic is very helpful for your future reference if you are taking admission in any engineering college in future. This topic purports to be a best topic as a point of view of engineering techniques. So look here, before starting this new chapter, you have to familiar with this. This is a compass. Look here. And this is a protractor. In your textbook, look here. This is your textbook, geometrical constructions. Here the first topic given, angle bisector. Look here on the board. This is angle A, B, C. This is your angle A, B, C. And look here, angle bisector. This is angle bisector. What is angle bisector? Angle bisector is divides angle into two equal halves. Look here. Like this. An angle bisector divides an angle into two equal parts. Students, how to draw this? You have to use your compass. This. You have to adjust pencil here. And you have to keep it here and here. Now take distance of this 1 and 2 point like this and make one arc from this side and another from this side, and you have to draw the ray over it. This is called angle bisector. Now let's look here, perpendicular bisector. For making perpendicular bisector, here a line segment is drawn. This is line segment, as you had already seen in your previous class. What is line segment? This is line segment, and you have to make perpendicular bisector by using this compass. How? First of all, you have to divide it like this. Take a distance from here and here. Make two arcs. Then put your point here of compass and pencil take distance of these 2 points. आपको ये दोनों पॉइंट्स का डिस्टेंस लेना है इस तरह से, और यहां आपको पॉइंटर रखकर यहां से इस तरह एक आर्क ड्रॉ करना है, और इधर सेम फिर यहां पर हमको पॉइंट रखना है और पेंसिल से इधर एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे और इधर. देन यू हैव टू मेक अ सिंगल स्ट्रेट लाइन. देन दिस इज अ perpendicular bisector. And also make one thing clear in your mind, what is perpendicular. Perpendicular may be like this is also perpendicular, this is also perpendicular, and it is also a perpendicular. In this way you have to do the work of constructions here given in your textbook, page number 1. After that, on page number 2, practice set 1 is given. So we will do this practice set 1 in our next lecture. Till then, I hope you understand. In case of any confusion or any doubt regarding angle bisector or perpendicular bisector, you have to call me or simply message me on my number 8007 686 908. I hope you understand. Thank you.